Hey everyone, so in this video I wanted to demonstrate the decibel reduction for putting sound deadener in the doors on my O2 F350. I have already upgraded the door seals on this truck and it did make a slight difference, but I want to show you guys just at idle here at an intersection what it looks like decibel wise. So it's about 60 decibels at idle. And I'll show you guys here shortly what it looks like cruising at about 55 miles an hour. So this is what it looks like just driving here on this smaller highway. So not too bad. It can get a little noisy inside the truck. I did just have a spike that went up to 81 decibels, and that was before I started talking. So the truck can get a little noisy, especially with road noise and all that stuff. So I'll show you guys the decibel reading. I'll show you guys the decibel reading once I'm done with insulating the doors.
In here, I'll show you guys how the insulation looked on the doors.
So right now, I know it's a little bit later in the day, but I'm aligning the door liner with, as you can see, the Siless Pro and what's this one? The Siless. This flash isn't helping. This is the Siless Max. So Siless claims that if you use the Siless Max, which is the silver one, first, and then you do the Pro on top of it, it gets you the best noise reduction. So I'm working on the doors right now, and I went ahead, I just bought, like I said, I bought these two kits. This is about $150 with the rollers for 72 square feet of coverage. But here's the sound difference. And I haven't done this door yet. Hear how much hollower this door sounds compared to this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of the doors. I might even put some here. I'm not sure yet, but I'm using 3 of these size sheets, or 3 of the Siless Maxes on this door, and then 3 of the Siless Pro on top of the Siless Max. And I'm gonna go drive the truck around after this and show you guys the decibel difference. All right, so here's the driver's door on the truck. I ended up using 5 sheets of the Siless Pro and the Siless Max stacked one on top of another. You can see it right there. So I did 1 sheet on the bottom, cut it into thirds, and then I did 4 whole sheets on the top here of the door. And then on the driver's rear door and passenger rear door, I did 4 sheets. Obviously I got a little excited and I put the door panel back on, but I did 3 sheets on the, here, I'll show you on this side. I did 3 sheets on the top section here, and then I did 1 sheet down here, and I cut it into thirds as well, and just ran it across the bottom. So I'm gonna finish putting this door panel back on and go drive the truck, and then figure out what the decibels are after this. So here's the truck here at idle. The previous low was 60 or 61 decibels. I'll have to go back in the video and look, but just doing the doors on the truck made a huge difference decibel wise. I mean, I can definitely feel a difference when driving this truck and road noise. It is a lot quieter than stock. So I recommend, again, I did 5 sheets of the Siless sound deadener on the front 2 doors, and then 4 sheets on the rear 2 doors. 5 of the Siless Pro and 5 of the Siless Max. Total of 72 square feet of coverage. I still have at least half a box left of each, roughly. So to me, I think it's definitely worth it for these trucks. I'll show you guys just driving around how it sounds. Well, to me, I think it's worth it putting the sound deadening on. So hopefully this video helps you guys out if you're on the fence and seeing if insulating the doors will make a difference in your road noise reduction and just overall just quietness of the cab. Definitely recommend it. If you guys could like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.